Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zaid Al-Adiba. Student ID 202431201 from Class B, Web Programming. Here, I will explain my code. Uh, to create a personal biodata web page, we first type an exclamation mark and then press enter. Visual Studio Code will automatically generate the basic HTML structure in the title biodataku title section. This is the title which will appear in the browser tab when the page is open. Subsequently, the body section is the main content of the web page that will be visible to visitors. All text, image, and other visual elements are written between body and body. The header one, biodataku, text is used to create a left heading and the web page. Will header 2 function as a subheading or a title for a specific within the page. For example, heading 2 identitas diri becomes the subheading for the personal identity. In the image part, the src attribute indicate the location of the image, which is stored in the asset folder. The alt attribute is used as alternative text that will appear if the image fails to load, while with and height control the size of the image displayed on the page. The alt tag is used to create an unordered. Inside it are several text which is short for the last item, representing a line of the list that display information such as name, student ID, study program, address, and email. This uh, distinction is typically used to display the user personal data on the web page. Next, the heading to hobby. Tag you use to create the new subheading containing a list of hobbies. Similar to the personal identity section, but this time discussing prevent activities. Below in the image, tag is used to display an image related to the hobbies. The src attribute show the image location in the assets folder becomes the replacement text if the image fails to load, and width and height adjust to display size. To display the list of hobbies, the alt tag is used, which stand for order list, a number list. Inside it, olahraga atau sport signifies on hobby item. Header 2 riwayat pendidikan creates a new subheading containing educational information. This section use a table to display the data more neatly. The table tag is used to create a table, and the border attribute as a border so the table is clearly visible. The first row of the table is created with the style background color tag where their main table row and style background color. Inside that row, the TD tag is used, which mean table data or a cell in the table. For example, TD no TD tingkat pendidikan, nama sekolah, tahun lulus. These columns become the table header that indication that category of data to be filled in. After that, so the subscan rows are used to fill the table content with educational data according to those categories, such as education level, school name, and graduation years. Finally, the table text is used to close the table that was created, indicating that all data inside it has been entered. Then the body tag mark the end of the web page content, and HTML becomes the closing tag for the entire HTML document. The register HTML, the title registration tag is used to determine the page title that appear in the browser tab, and contrast. Heading 1, account registration, serves to display the next. The form tag is the main container that holds our input element and submission button inside this form. Fields is used to group several elements so they appear neater and more structured, usually with a dividing line. Then legend is used to provide a small title above that border so user know what that part of the form is for. The table, the label tag is the example. Masukkan nama is used to give instructional text to user about what needs to be filled in. This follow text ID, nama, name, placeholder, name, full name. Where type text means the input field is free from text. Placeholder contain instructional that appear inside the input box before it's filled, while ID and name function to identify the input within the system, the education addition of is used to add spacing between lines to make the display tidier of max length 9. Is that the user can only type a maximum of 9 characters. For the email file type, email is used so the browser automatically validates the correct email format. Then type radio is used to create a single selection option, such as causing a gender, a radio input that are intended to be a single group must have the same name. For example, name GK, so that only one option can be select of the check is added. That option will be automatic selects when the page is open. Furthermore, the select tag is used to create a drop-down menu with option text inside it display the list of courses that the user can select. For the password section, input type password is used, which function to hide the character being typed so they are not visible to other. Every input also has different ID and name attributes, so they are easily and processed during data validation. Finally, button type submit daftar is used as the button to submit all data that has been entered into the form. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.